Becoming a billionaire is a goal that requires a combination of strategic thinking, hard work, and a bit of luck. While there's no guaranteed formula, certain habits can increase your chances of achieving such financial success. Here are 5 essential habits to consider. 1. Innovative thinking and risk-taking. Billionaires often think outside the box and are willing to take calculated risks. They identify opportunities that others may overlook and are willing to invest their time and resources in groundbreaking ideas. Embracing failure as a learning experience and being open to unconventional paths can set you on the road to success. 2. Continuous learning and personal development. Successful individuals are committed to ongoing education and personal growth. They read books, attend seminars, and seek out mentors who can provide valuable insights. Constantly expanding your knowledge and skills will enable you to adapt to changing market trends and stay ahead of the competition. 3. Risk-focused work ethic and persistence. Achieving billionaire status requires an unparalleled work ethic. Consistent and focused effort over a prolonged period is essential. Persistent determination in the face of obstacles and setbacks will help you maintain momentum and reach your goals. 4. Risk. Strategic networking and relationship building. Building a strong network is crucial in the business world. Billionaires often establish relationships with key players in their industries, as well as mentors who can guide them. Networking opens doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations that can significantly impact your trajectory toward success. 5. Value creation and scalable ventures. Billionaires tend to create products, services, or solutions that address a significant market need. Focusing on value creation and scalability is essential for exponential growth. By solving problems for a large audience, you can generate substantial revenue and create a lasting impact. Remember, while these habits are valuable, becoming a billionaire also depends on factors beyond one's control, such as economic conditions and market shifts. It's important to approach your goals with passion and integrity, always aiming to contribute positively to society. In conclusion, the path to becoming a billionaire requires a blend of innovative thinking, continuous learning, unwavering commitment, strategic networking, and a focus on value creation.